Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host Salik, and in today's news we have some Biome icons by Nareen, an MZ plugin by Kurodo that expands the width of the Touch UI menu button, a project template with 100 horror and tragedy themed sample maps by Monokura. For those who make their maps in TileD, we have TileD templates for every single RPG Maker by Soulfans, a sprite of a penguin mech by The Real Fusion, and lastly a tileset of a laboratory by Hatho Beast. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.